In this lesson, we'll add a new black layer. We'll find the center of the design with a guide, bring the opacity of the black layer down so we can see the original sketch to add the word thankful to our design, and be able to resize the word, add effects to the word, and then duplicate the word multiple times. Press the plus sign at the bottom of the Layers panel to create a new layer, and let's rename this layer Black and press Return. Let's go to Edit, click on Fill, and then in the Contents dropdown, click on Black, and then click OK. I want to start with the text first. In order to find the center of the design, we need the rulers to create a guide. Do a Command R to open the rulers. Right-click on the rulers and make sure you have % selected. Click on the Move tool and then click on the left ruler and drag to the right until you get to the 50% mark. Click on the Type tool. In the search and select font areas, write in Futura and then make sure it's bold. Click on the color and find a purple that you like and click OK. Click on the guideline with your Type tool and in capital letters write Thankful and then click on the Move tool to incorporate that change. Click on the black layer and let's bring the opacity down on that layer a little bit so we can see our sketch. With the Move tool, click on the Thankful layer and then drag Thankful up straight. You can press the Shift key to constrain it to go straight up. Do a Command T to transform and click the Option and drag one of the corners of the transform box out and press Return. I want the letters to be a little bit taller, so do a Command T again to transform, press the Shift key and click and drag down and then press Return. I want there to be more space between the letters. Click on the Type tool and select the Toggle Character and Paragraph panels icon. That will open up the character panel. Click on the tracking icon and drag it to the right to give more space between the letters. I'm going to put in about 220. Then I'm going to do a Command T again to transform the word. Press the Option key and drag in, and then press the Shift key to drag the letters higher, and press Return. We can close the character panel for now. Get the Move tool. I'm going to add some effects to it. At the bottom of the Layers panel, there's an Effects button. Let's click on that, and then click on Inner Glow. I'll set the Inner Glow to an opacity of 100%, a choke of 0, a size of 10, and the color is going to be white. I also want to add an Outer Glow. Click on Outer Glow, and I want to use that purple that I used when I created the word, and I'm going to use the same attributes, opacity 100, spread 0, size 10, and then click OK. To duplicate the word, you can press the Option key and then drag the word down. Pressing Option and moving a layer will duplicate that layer. Let's do it again. Option, drag down, and again, Option, drag down. You want to try to keep the same amount of space between the words each time. Option, drag down, and Option, drag down. Let's save this document. Do a File, Save As. You want to put your last name, underscore first name, underscore whatever the project number is, and save it as a PSD. I saved it onto the desktop for now. When I'm all done, I can move it into a folder off of my desktop. This lesson will continue in the next video.